Personal space, a concept that mortals often take for granted. In my journeys across the realms, I have learned the importance of respecting the boundaries of others and protecting my own. Allow me to share with you, in my own words, 10 tips on personal space. 1. Establish boundaries. Just as the gods have their realms, each individual has their own personal domain. Clearly define your boundaries and communicate them to others. They must know where they stand. 2. Assert yourself. Do not be afraid to assert your presence and let others know you are not to be trifled with. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and make it known that your personal space is sacred. 3. Respect others' boundaries. Just as you demand respect for your personal space, extend the same courtesy to others. Do not encroach upon their territory without permission, for it is a sign of honor and integrity. 4. Maintain composure. Anger, if left unchecked, can consume and blind you. Harness your rage, control it. Channel your emotions into focused determination, rather than allowing them to infringe upon the personal space of others. 5. Find solace in solitude. Sometimes, the chaos of the realms can overwhelm. Seek moments of solitude to recharge, reflect, and regain your equilibrium. Your personal space should be a sanctuary for peace and introspection. 6. Set physical boundaries. Stand your ground and defend your personal space when necessary. Just as I wield my blades to protect myself, you must be ready to assert your physical boundaries with strength and determination. 7. Cultivate empathy. Understand that others have their own struggles and need their personal space as well. Empathy allows you to navigate social interactions with grace and understanding, ensuring harmonious relationships. 8. Seek forgiveness. We all make mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes invade the personal space of others. Be humble enough to apologize and seek forgiveness, as it is the path to redemption and growth. 9. Embrace unity. The realms are interconnected, just as we are all connected. Embrace the unity of all beings, and recognize that personal space is not a fortress, but rather a space where understanding and collaboration can flourish. 10. Celebrate diversity. Each being possesses their own unique space and perspective. Embrace the differences that make us who we are, for it is within these variations that personal space finds its true value. Remember, mortals, personal space is a sacred concept that should be honored and respected. By following these 10 tips, you shall navigate the realms with wisdom and grace. Now go forth and embrace the power of personal space.